Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the Shaolin backpack from Waterfly. And this is a very interesting backpack. It's a premium, also highly versatile backpack. It combines everything into one. It's sporty, it's classy. From that explanation, probably you are not going to understand much, but you are going to see it right now. So it has sporty looks, it has premium feel, it has very good materials, and we are going to fill it up, discuss everything about it today. So the design, it's kind of a classic one, and it has this roll top here, so you can open it quickly and put things inside. You can roll it and close it. A good thing about this design is that it's adjustable, so if you have something slightly larger that doesn't fit a normal backpack,
you just open it.
Yes.
It goes a little bit larger, but if you have it even longer, you can just
jump directly to the subject. So if you are using it as a normal backpack, you get the idea. You close this strap. You can also adjust this, so you can make it a bit larger, so you have this strap here which is plentiful, and adjusting this one here, which is very simple, as you can see, makes this longer. If it's longer, you have here more space inside, less space here. But if you have something that really sticks out, you can actually leave it this way. And for instance, I have this video equipment. This is not a backpack for video equipment, but for demonstration purpose. You can actually
see, if we put these legs all the way here, as you can see, it just sticks out.
Right, and
the actual lamp sticks out.
And put it here now, so you can actually carry this with you. So it's going to go right to the bottom of this backpack. And only just a bit of it is going to stick out, but even so, I have managed to fit something, and I can carry this on my back with something just poking out a bit, which I couldn't do without an adjustable backpack. This also brings you a major advantage. This is great for traveling with airplanes, because it can adjust actually and compact depending on the cabin size for your backpack. So you can make it smaller, and being soft and squishy, you can squeeze it through those measuring devices. But for people that are not very fond of this system, or you might say that this is not very nice to roll it each time, and if you have a lot of things inside, you need just to search between them. Well, here comes the sporty and modern idea. You turn this back around, and on the back around, it gets...
Take these apart.
And on the background, it gets very interesting, because this will open like a modern photo backpack or devices backpack. So you have access to the whole inside here, and you have here the back part of it, and now you can fit here everything. So for instance, we have a notebook flap here, and
let Daddy show that it can fit.
And this one fits in nicely, and you have various pouches here, and you have a lot of other things for smaller stuff. So I can put here various things not to lose.
Here is for pencils, but we are not going to put pencils because I don't like homeworks.
We are going to put your homework here.
No, please no.
Okay, and here you also have straps like a normal luggage case, so you can actually put some clothes. So I have here 2 shirts and a pair of short trousers, and they go in nicely like that. And so they do not get messed around. You have straps, and now if we close this up, you partially lose access to the clothes, but they don't get messed around. I mean partially, because it's a good thing. When you open this on the top here, on the roll top, you have access inside to the notebook and to some of the pouches, but the clothes are secured there, so they are not going to come out. Everything is secure, but you can still take the notebook out. And for smaller things, you have another pocket here where you can put other stuff that it's more smaller, more compact, that you wish to take with you.
And you want them more so
accessible, yes.
Yes, more accessible.
Okay. On the side here you get another pouch for fitting a bottle, and this is elastic so it can adapt to bigger bottles. I have here his favorite bottle.
Because we love cats.
Yep, and there it sits nicely.
And just an example for something that you want to be accessible. Like if you want if you are going with an airplane and you want to make some photos, you can take on phone or even on camera.
Yes, and you can put it here so you don't open the whole bag for just a tiny thing.
Yes, and risk for everything to come out.
And also, talking about that, when you are at check-in and so on, you are not going to throw your clothes out just to get what is inside, because you can open this up and this is secure as I shown you. Also on the back you also have theft protection. You have these two hidden pouches. You have here one for the papers, money, or your wallet, and another bigger one for papers and other stuff, or even put another notebook here or something like that, and it's not going to be accessible from the exterior. So even if you are in a train or a tram or in a bus, someone can open this up, but it's not going to reach those because those are at your back, so it should tickle your back when trying to open them up, so it's not going to be able to take anything from you. Another nice thing about this backpack is the straps. The straps are S-shaped, as you can see, and being an S-shaped, they are much more comfortable and they sit better around your shoulders, and they are not going to slip, so it makes it very good when you are traveling for a longer period of time. It makes it more comfortable. Then
you have another pouch with even more pockets.
Yeah, it has a pouch with a pouch inside, and this one actually fits a large smartphone inside. You can actually fit one, but if you don't like it, it has a strap. You can take it off, and because sometimes Velcro can fail and it's not 100% secured, this also has an extra safety strap, so you will not use it, but if you are using it or not using it, you are not going to lose it. And this is also rotatable so it doesn't get tangled. Really nice design, and you can quickly take it out. And of course you can put this somewhere else if you want to, or use it just as it is. You leave the backpack somewhere and take this with something minimal inside, and it has also this. You can put here something smaller, and when you want to reach out for it, you just pull this and it's going to take out what is inside. And you can put here put some sunglasses that are dangling from it, or another pen if you are a writer, or you want to take your kids' homework with you.
No, please, no.
And also I was telling you about this comfortable shaped ones. They also have a nice texture. This is not only for design, it also has kind of a mini pads, and the same thing is here. So this texture is going to kind of massage you. You have a lot of padding, it's a lot of foam here.
And this is also very comfortable if you wear it a very long time.
Yes, exactly. Even if you are going to keep this on your back for hours and hours, this is going to feel very good because of that padding and those tiny pads that keep massaging you. Also, if you take this on long trips like hiking trips or bike trips, you have a chest strap that can adjust on the height of it, and then it also has a lower strap to better weight distribution and keeping this more secure, so you can put those. You have plenty of straps here. You get very long straps that you can adjust. Everything is adjustable, and you also have these elastic things that hold them in place, so if you adjust this way too much or this thing is very long and dangling, you can use this, something like this, and put this underneath, so it's also going to keep that spare strap so it doesn't dangle around messing things up. See, nicely it packs in. And now I'm going to tell you a few words about the build quality, which is excellent. They use very good material. For instance, this main part here from which the backpack is made, this material is not one single sheet of material. There are actually two separated sheets, and each one of them is very thick. This one is super thick, and this one is again thick. There are also water resistant materials. They also use a lot of stitches, and some of them are not only for design, but they are actually for reinforcing it. This makes it very solid. Also, the zippers are water protected. As you can see, when it closes, it has a rubberized part that covers the zipper, so this protects water getting in. It's not 100% watertight zipper, but this is water protection very good, so if you get caught in the rain, you have very small chances of water getting in through that part here. Even if you force it, as you can see, it stays closed. Even if you bend it, it stays closed. So pretty nice using those type of zippers, and they also work really nice. They have these parts here to allow you to use them easier than pulling the keys out. Also, the utility doesn't stop there, because you have this elastic strap here, so you can put something light such as a bike helmet or a cap or something similar which is light. And you have this strap here. You might wonder what this is for. If you are traveling with this and you also have a large suitcase that has a pull handle, you put this over that, so this stays on top of the luggage, and you hold that lever that goes through this. You can pull both of them, and this is more secure that way. And continuing with the durability, you have, for instance, this material, which is a very resistant one, which is stitched over the two layers of the backpack, and between them this is sandwich for these straps. So you know that on backpacks usually this is a stress point where they break after some usage. This is not going to happen here with all this reinforcement done, so it's very solid. The build quality is very nice. And another interesting thing is the material. It doesn't show proper on the camera. As you can see, it has a material that looks like a kind of not worn out and not dirty, but it's something special to it. It's a material that has a bit of texture like being worn, but it's not. And the color changes where it bends, so it kind of looks like it has been used a lot, but this is brand new. And this thing makes it very interesting, because this is going to keep its look for a long time, even if you trash it around. With this material, which is also dirt resistant, it's going to look as new for a very good amount of time. Here is the Shaolin installed on my Kung Fu Panda model here. As you can see, it also fits a child because of this. This makes it very comfortable for any age, for any size, for any kind of people, and will be comfortable with those pads for everyone. But don't put all the things here. Don't put your notebook, only put his homework.
No, please, no.
And with the huge amount of straps and adjustment, it not only fits, but it also fits at the proper height, so it's not going to be too low or too high. You get a nice way of adjusting it. And you can see everything is nice when you put it up. This folds, it closes, it's secured, everything is there. All those internal pouches are hidden. I just want to steal your notebook.
No. And as you can see, I felt that Daddy wanted to steal something from here, and I had the time to react so I can protect myself, and
with some Kung Fu kick, yes? But I forgot to put something inside, so this is almost full. It has some clothes, it has a notebook, it has everything inside. But I want to also take the drone with me, and I want to take it with this protective case. So I'm going to try to put it there. Would it fit? let's see. So I'm going to stuff it here, and guess what? It doesn't want to go in more lower because there are the clothes there and the notebook. So here comes in handy this magic thing, adjusting the strap, and I'm done with it. And the drone is inside, as you can see, convertible. It went from a compact size to a large size. Everything is secured, strapped, holding together, and I'm done. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So I'm going to say you bye-bye for now.
But Daddy, you forgot the cat's toy.
There's always something. Put it here.
Okay, now I'm happy. Only if you don't take pencils and my homework, please.
Alright. Until my next video, see you and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.